So I'm gonna go jump on the Gobbler Getaway because I have no idea what this is. I'm assuming it might involve a turkey.
Come join us for the adventures of Pride Coastal Club. For the adventures of Pride Coastal Club.
Autumn falls. Here we go. Turkey, turkey, turkey gun, turkey gun. Boom, we hit some doors. Boom, 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 boom. To the turkey farm we go. In the window. Doesn't it gonna open? There's the turkey. Another, oh, that wasn't the turkey. Boom, 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 boom. Keep the barn doors closed. The turkey call. Corn on the cobs. Boom, boom, boom. This is a very, very interesting thing. This noise is so crazy. Boom, 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 boom. Can't get it, it won't go. That one didn't work either. How about you? No. Oh, we got some turkey. Another turkey. They're going turkeys. The turkeys are everywhere. They're everywhere. They're taking over. The turkeys are taking over. Everywhere. 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 This is really, really like a fun little shooting ride. I love it. Turkeys. Pumpkins for sale. Happy Halloween, guys. Turkey call, turkey call, turkey call. You're turkifying it. A little bit of this, little bit of that. And the farmer was... Lots of turkeys. Oh no, they came back. Turkey dinner. Turkey dinner. And we just stopped. We stopped where the turkey doors are. Turkey call, turkey call, turkey call. There we go. The turkeys are getting crazy with it. It's all the turkey's fault. Turkey, happy Thanksgiving. Another turkey there, another turkey here. A little bit of turkey everywhere. Turkey toast. Whoa, I did really, really bad. I'm just another turkey. I only got 600 points. Oh, that's cool. The turkey spindle. And here we go. We are back to the turkey town. Well, the Gobbler Getaway, what could I say? That was a lot of fun. Getting turkeys, having a turkey bit of a time, and keeping it Thanksgiving in July. Either way, you can't go wrong with a nice shooting dark ride. Get you out of the heat, and it was fun. Well guys, thank you for watching this POV video here at Holiday World. Please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe here on YouTube, as you never know what other random POVs I might film for you. Maybe I'll come back here and film something at Holiday World. Maybe I'll film something at Michigan's Adventure. Either way, you never really know what's gonna happen. Love you all. Peace.
Come join us